Yeah. So Sharma, I was telling in URL, let's say you see something in the URL of the pages and you're saying that, okay, fine. These are the part of a URL where I can see the individual profiles. Like here, YouTube, this part of a URL is going to show me the individual profiles. Use it. In URL, you can use it number of times. Here you're seeing, okay, linkedin.com/in is giving me the individual profiles. Use it. linkedin.com/job is showing me the list of jobs. Use it. linkedin.com/connection in your own, you are getting, use it. Individual profiles, they are saying, I have a website and here is my blog and here is my resume. Resume is again a folder. If I go to blog, okay, you see here, this URL changes. Okay, dreamingcho.es/blog. For resume, it's /resume. Here, okay, this person ashokde.in/resume. Let's say if I say just .in, this is what you say web page. We have a GitHub, we have a resume folder. Once we click on a resume, it becoming /.in ashokde. Where is one more? Here is a GitHub. Okay, github.com/ashokde. Earlier result which we got of ashokde.in. Here, where else we have? Maybe this result what we got. Google remember the data. Earlier he had the instead of this resume. Now earlier he had a resume, but now he had linked instead of resume. If someone is clicking here, it's taking them to LinkedIn profile, but Google still remembers the data. And then we are able to see the past resume. Here you click, let's say we click on blog. This becomes because.com/blog. We click on resume, it becomes /resume. Folder, in URL, resume. In URL, that website. In URL, those words, like in YouTube we have used, not just the YouTube site, but we know once I'm clicking on about, then in URL there's a URL getting constructed and /about is coming to show the individual profiles. That's where in URL youtube.com and in URL about, both the URLs, so that we have only the list of individual profiles from the YouTube, nothing else. Like this, in URL www.youtube.com, first the website, and in URL :about. And we have all the individual people who are posting about the coding or anything like that. So in URL is really a magician boolean. We need to understand how this URL can be structured, how this, we need to keep on analyzing these URLs. Okay, which are the constant term, which are a non-constant term. Okay, about is a constant term, and youtube.com/c or a channel is a constant term. Okay, fine, I'm going to use that. Below the page, I have a location. Okay, fine, I have some of the content saying software engineer or software developer. We'll use those as a keywords. So how to catch up with the individual profiles? Okay, they might use maximum people. What they'll use? About me, this is my resume, a resume folder or CV folder. So this is my CV folder. If someone is going and so this is github.com/Shivkumar400. This is my GitHub profile. If I click on resume, so github.com username /resume. If I click on CV, github.com username /CV. So analyzing those URL patterns is where we need to come from. Good, bad, worst.
Hi, Shiv.
It's good, Shiv.
How do you search for location in LinkedIn?
We'll cover that in future, not right immediately. It might confuse us. So I'm just more focused on identifying, understanding that in URL operator. And once we're good there, then we go with the location, how to get only from that location, how to get the email IDs, how to get the contact details. Everything is a part of it.
Thank you.
Yeah, fine, Shafiq. All right, that's it for today. So I would strongly suggest revisit the video, practice, and come up with more questions by tomorrow. And once we're good with in URL, in title, and in text, then we'll move on to the next. All right.
Right, so
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thanks, everyone. Good night. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
thank you, Shiv.